Hey, it's Jason with ThruNite. Really excited about today's video. We're going to be talking about the ThruNite TT20. So we're really excited to launch this product. We think it's a great option and one of our best tactical flashlights we've ever made. It runs on a 21700 5000 milliamp high capacity battery, so it's always going to be ready when you're ready to use it. So this is a really awesome product and we can't wait to have you guys get your hands on it and experience it for yourselves. We've once again collaborated with a popular video creator here on YouTube known as The Outsider and released a limited edition red color.
Hey everyone, Outsider here. I'm excited to show you the new special edition Outsider flashlight which ThruNite is releasing this year. It's a great flashlight and I've worked with them personally to develop this one. And if you look here on this light, you'll see there is the Outsider crest just underneath the button, and that's how you know it's an Outsider flashlight. As well, it's this really nice red color which matches the red of my tractor. And if you watch my YouTube channel, you'll know that my tractor is a staple of the work that I do. It's an essential piece of equipment that I use and rely on a daily basis. And likewise, so are these flashlights.
So let's talk about what's in the box.
So right on top when you open the box, you have a reminder to tighten everything down before first use. Beneath that, you have the light itself. Really cool light. As you can see, this is the Outsider Edition red color. A USB-C rechargeable there. It comes pre-attached with the dual direction clip. That's going to be really useful. It also comes with the user guide and spec sheet, a reminder to follow us on social media, a lanyard and a couple of spare parts, the USB-C recharging cable, and the carry pouch. And this thing.
The 21700 battery is going to be able to power the TT20 far longer than hopefully you guys will ever need to use it. 90 hours on infinity low. And we're really excited about the benefits that using a 2700 battery brings into flashlights like these. So the TT20 allows you to select any brightness output you need. Anywhere from low of 30 lumens to the high of 1468 lumens. You can select any brightness you need, and the benefit here is not only do you not have to have your flashlight brighter than it needs to be, there's also benefit on power as well. The fact that you're not using a set brightness mode allows the battery to be able to last longer, and it's going to be putting out less heat, which is going to overall improve the lifespan of the flashlight itself. And I really personally love the infinity modes on these lights. So let's talk about turbo mode. Turbo mode is over 2400 lumens, and it's a simple one click of the tail switch. This is going to be incredible for anyone who needs access to a lot of light very quickly and reliably. Whether you're in security, you're hunting, any self-defense situation you encounter, just a single click of the tail switch and you're going to enable turbo mode. Super quick, super easy, and you won't have to fumble around trying to find the side switch. There's also Firefly mode, which is accessed by just holding the side switch. There's also a lockout mode. Once it's in Firefly mode, you can hold again, and there it's in lockout mode, which is going to prevent the light from turning on accidentally if it's in a pocket or a backpack or something. And that locks out both the tail switch and the side switch. So another reason we really like the TT20 and all of our lights is for durability. We're really proud of the build quality and in turn the reliability that the TT20 has.
I've dropped these ThruNite flashlights on the ground. I've had them in the snow, underwater. I even froze one in a block of ice once and it still worked. So that is a testament to how strong these things are. And as well, just the fact that I have put my name on one of their flashlights shows just how much I believe in the quality of their products.
If you'd like to see durability tests of the TT20, let me know in the comments section and I can put this thing through its tests, drop tests, water tests, things like that, to further showcase that this thing is ready for any challenge you put it through. Thanks for watching. I'm going to be making more videos with the TT20 at night so you can have a better idea of what it's going to look like, what the beam looks like. The beam distance is about 250 meters, so I'm really looking forward to putting this to the test and see how I can demonstrate the beam distance at night. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.